Hello, hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you another tiny Tunisian tip. Now that I have loops pulled up on my hook, I'm going to go ahead, and this is why it's double-ended, I'm going to flip it around in the other direction, and I'm going to grab my other color of yarn, and again, I want to emphasize that this can be a different color, or it can be, I could have just pulled from the inside of the same skein of yarn. You don't have to have multiple balls of yarn here. So I'm going to go ahead and just like anytime I'd start yarn, I'm going to go ahead and just attach my yarn by pulling through one loop. Then I'm going to work a return pass just like I always would. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and work my return pass just like that. I hope you enjoyed that tiny Tunisian tip. It is always my goal to help you grow confidently in your craft. I would love it if you would check out the description for other related links, including the link to my tiny Tunisian tip playlist, so you can check them all out. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. That way YouTube will notify you when I post more tips. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy Tunisian crocheting!